Yesterday I saw her at the supermarket.
Yesterday I saw her at the supermarket.
I normally go to the supermarket on Sunday.
I normally go to the supermarket on Sunday.
I will go to the supermarket tomorrow.
I will go to the supermarket tomorrow.
They played soccer yesterday.
They played soccer yesterday.
They practice badminton every afternoon.
They practice badminton every afternoon.
They will join a tournament next month.
They will join a tournament next month.
I ate a sandwich for breakfast.
I ate a sandwich for breakfast.
He usually drinks a cup of tea to start his day.
He usually drinks a cup of tea to start his day.
I will order pizza for dinner later.
I will order pizza for dinner later.
We visited our grandparents last summer.
We visited our grandparents last summer.
We normally spend weekends with our father.
We normally spend weekends with our father.
We will visit them next summer.
We will visit them next summer.
I read a chapter last night.
I read a chapter last night.
I normally read at night.
I normally read at night.
I will start a new chapter tomorrow.
I will start a new chapter tomorrow.
The dog barked continuously last night.
The dog barked continuously last night.
Our cat usually sleeps on the windowsill.
Our cat usually sleeps on the windowsill.
Our cat will sleep until we return.
Our cat will sleep until we return.
She sang a beautiful song.
She sang a beautiful song.
She always performs on a stage.
She always performs on a stage.
She will sing at the concert.
She will sing at the concert.
The teacher taught the lesson well.
The teacher taught the lesson well.
The teacher teaches math.
The teacher teaches math.
The teacher will give a test tomorrow.
The teacher will give a test tomorrow.
We watched an action movie.
We watched an action movie.
We like action films.
We like action films.
We will see the new movie tomorrow.
We will see the new movie tomorrow.
She wrote a letter to John.
She wrote a letter to John.
She writes in her journal every day.
She writes in her journal every day.
I will send an email later.
I will send an email later.
The sun shone brightly last evening.
The sun shone brightly last evening.
The sun rises in the east.
The sun rises in the east.
The sun will set soon.
The sun will set soon.
She enjoyed herself at the party.
She enjoyed herself at the party.
She loves to dance.
She loves to dance.
She will perform next week.
She will perform next week.
Yesterday we walked to the beach.
Yesterday, we walked to the beach.
The supermarket closes at 9 p.m.
The supermarket closes at 9 p.m.
We will go on a trip next month.
We will go on a trip next month.
He fixed the old broken car.
He fixed the old broken car.
He repairs broken things.
He repairs broken things.
He will fix the pipe as soon as you agree to pay.
He will fix the pipe as soon as you agree to pay.
He built a sandcastle on the beach.
He built a sandcastle on the beach.
They normally play on the shore.
They normally play on the shore.
They will swim in the pool later.
They will swim in the pool later.
She helped her mother in the kitchen.
She helped her mother in the kitchen.
She cooks dinner every night.
She cooks dinner every night.
She will bake a cake for your birthday.
She will bake a cake for your birthday.
Yesterday she bought a new phone.
Yesterday she bought a new phone.
She uses it every day.
She uses it every day.
She will upgrade it next year.
She will upgrade it next year.
He studied all day on Sunday.
He studied all day on Sunday.
He sometimes reads his notes after class.
He sometimes reads his notes after class.
He will sit an exam soon.
He will sit an exam soon.
The baby cried too much last night.
The baby cried too much last night.
The baby normally sleeps peacefully.
The baby normally sleeps peacefully.
The baby will wake up soon.
The baby will wake up soon.
The children played in the park on weekends.
The children played in the park on weekends.
We run 5 miles every morning.
We run 5 miles every morning.
We will jog 7 miles tomorrow.
We will jog 7 miles tomorrow.